friends, today we are going to make satin roses. So with the normal satin cloth, I'll teach you how to make roses sticks. What all you need is, you need a satin cloth, just cut a strip out of it. The strip should be in this shape, both the sides should be cut like this. You'll take a candle, light the candle with the matchbox. As all of you know, there are many threads, so you burn the edges, both the sides first, like this. So one is the longest side, one is the smallest side. You will burn the small side, you will stretch it like this and you will burn it so that no threads are coming out over it. See, when you burn it, this kind of wrinkles will come, as it's a little bit stretchable cloth. So take a thread and a needle, take a rough side up, roll it down. This is half, below the half, give one stitch. Now a running stitch should be there, straight, like this. It's very simple running stitch, everyone must be aware of. Like this you give a running stitch. Yeah, it's done. Strips can be of any size. Bigger strips will make big flower, smaller strips will make smaller flower. And you should have a different sizes of flower, as no any plant have same sizes of roses. Few are big and few are small always. So give the pleats like this. Now roll it loosely but hold it tightly, okay? Like this. Loose rolling but tightly so that it wouldn't go off. Like this. Now tie it out. Give her 2 knots. 2 knots are always safe, as all of you know. Rose is ready. Take a flower making wire. Make a loop over it like this. Take 2 wires. Keep it along with the flower. Take one thick thread. Any thick thread, any color, it's up to you. Cut the thread. Take a flower making tape, stretch it. Any color tape you can take it. If you might have seen my previous video, in that I told you there are many shades in the tape and it's your wish which shade you want to take. Wrapping of tape should be thin so that it will last long. Take artificial leaf. And your flower is ready. Like this, I have 2 more flowers. See, they are in different sizes. So with the flowers we need a bud also, flower bud. For flower bud you need a one squarish piece over it. Keep the sponge like this, one triangle sponge. Then keep the wire. Fold it. Bend this side. Press it. Then bend the other side and press it. Hold it like this. Same tying method. Cut the thread. Apply tape. With this, our flower bud is also ready. It depends on you what size of wires you want. You can take big wires also, you can take small wires also. The length of the wire depends on your choice. See, bud is ready. Now, according to the size, bud, small size flower. Then a little bit big size flower. You have to tag them. It's your wish. You want to keep them separately and you put in your flower pot. It's up to you. You want to make one big stick. It's up to you. Assembling is totally your choice. Then take the biggest one at the bottom. Very easy, very quick. When some birthday, some parties is there and you need a flowers and not getting fresh flowers and you're having a cloth, you can create a bouquet within half an hour. I had already one light pink also and one this. See the combination and see the flowers. And this is done. Thank you so much.